pain, ache, a stomach ache, a back ache, toothache, foot ache, runny nose, cut, cramp, food poisoning. Do you know any other words? Let me know in the comments. Diarrhea, diarrhea, polio, polio, cancer, cancer, hepatitis, hepatitis, asthma, asthma, measles, measles, chickenpox, chickenpox, cholera, patient, nurse, hospital, clinic, medicine, ambulance, emergency, prescription, doctor,